Guys, speak English. I don't know what you're writing. Bala kayo. Mag-lotion na muna ako. I can buy a flower. Guys, speak English. I don't know what is that. Joannica Daconsisaw. I don't know what's that. Pronunciation. Please speak English. Duktong Chan. Tran. Mega love shout out. Duktong Tran. Hi, Eman. Hi, Ern. Uy, long time no see. Long time no see. I really like your videos. Hi, Alexander. Thank you so much. Do okay. Hi. Where are you from? Patrick. What it means. I love all my followers, guys. Turkeys, Indian, USA, New Zealand, wherever you're from, guys. I like you all. Also Philippine. You know. And also you like Filipina. Filipina is... Yes. Why, Patrick? You tell me I don't like you? You don't like me? You don't like my life? Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka, Ern? Hindi kita napapansin sa live ko. Parang mangilan-ilan ka na lang pumupunta. My favorite fruit is mango. Mango and... What is this? The brown one? Brown one. Hey guys, I love you all. Okay, me. Okay. Speak English, guys. Elikok, thank you. La, di ka pa umuwi? Di ka pa umuwi ng Isabela? Wala ako sa Isabela. Yung totoo, Ern, hindi ako nakatira sa Isabela. Nasa La Union ako. No, I don't like any long or short. It's all about highlight. Yeah, live. Do okay. Yes, niya-highlight ko siya pag gusto kong mag-highlight. Kasi wala akong ma-content, ma-videos dito kasi puro farm. I like a K-drama is not Korean. I like to watch Chinese drama. Okay, do okay. Ano? What? Do okay. Lagi kong ina-highlight yung gusto kong i-highlight. Yung bang, basta pinindot ko na, yun na yun. Yes.